Hi there and welcome to Hyundai Power Equipment. My name's Adrian and today we're going to look at the HYHT60Li battery powered hedge trimmer. So I've laid the contents of the packaging out on the table for you to see. First of all, we have the hedge trimmer itself with its plastic guard on the blade. We have the battery pack, the battery charger and a comprehensive user manual. Now I do recommend that you read the user manual thoroughly before use. So let's talk about the trimmer itself. You'll see that it has a full wraparound front handle which provides a comfortable gripping area in sort of all cutting orientations. It has a 300 watt brushless motor which offers greater performance, and you'll notice it has a soft grip handle for added user comfort. Now it has a 24-inch or 600mm dual action laser blades with an aluminium support for outstanding cutting performance, and it can quickly cut branches up to 3/4 of an inch diameter or 20mm. Let's start with the charging of the battery. On the battery charger provided, you'll notice that it has a 13 amp plug, and this simply plugs into a 13 amp wall socket. Before plugging it in, you'll need to put the battery into the battery charger. You'll see the 3 holes that correspond with the 3 pins, and you simply need to push the battery into the charger from the end and push it fully home. Now you can plug the charger into your 13 amp outlet. With a flat battery, the red light will come on to say that the charger is plugged in, and the green light will come on and will be flashing. When the green light stops flashing and is a solid green light, the battery is charged. This will normally take about 1 hour and 30 minutes. To remove the battery, unplug it from the mains and simply slide it out from the charger. So to fit the battery, after charging, simply place it in the hole on the top of the hedge trimmer and push home, and you will hear a click, and it is now ready for use. To remove the battery, simply lift this latch and pull the battery back out of the holder. So there we are, we'll put it in, click it home, and it's now ready for use. Let's talk about how to operate your hedge trimmer. First thing I've done is remove the plastic guard, which I do recommend that you leave in place at all times when not in use, because the blades are very sharp. So having removed the guard, I have a fully charged battery. There are 2 things you need to do. You will see a switch on the front, on the handle, which needs to be squeezed, and then you have the trigger on the back, which you pull for the hedge trimmer to start. If you don't pull the front switch, it won't start. If you don't pull the back switch, it won't start. They both have to be pulled. And that's how to use your hedge trimmer. Once you've finished using it, replace the guard. Well, I do hope you found this demonstration useful. For more information on this or any of our other products, please visit www.hyundaipowerequipment.co.uk. I've been Adrian and happy trimming.